Port Whitby Marina is located in Whitby, Ontario, Canada, and this is a premier waterfront destination situated on one of Lake Ontario's finest natural harbors. Approximately 23 nautical miles east of Toronto, this award-winning 420 slip full-service marina, operated by the town of Whitby, caters to both recreational boaters and visitors seeking a serene lakeside experience. Its strategic location is marked by navigational buoys, a lighthouse with a flashing red light on the eastern pier, and a green light on the western pier. This ensures safe access to its well-protected harbor. The marina offers seasonal dockage from May to October, with slips accommodating vessels up to 70 feet, though it advises against vessels exceeding 6 feet in draft due to the fluctuating lake levels. Boaters enjoy a wealth of amenities, including gas and diesel fuel stations, pump-out services, water and electricity hookups, and a 50-ton travel lift. The marina's first-class clubhouse features private shower units, laundry facilities, and the rentable Avalon Lounge for events. Complimentary bikes, kayaks, and Wi-Fi enhance the visitor experience, while picnic shelters, propane barbecues, and a snack shop add convenience. The marina's eco-conscious practices have earned it a 5 Greenleaf Anchor rating environmental award for sustainability. Surrounded by parkland, waterfront trails, and nearby beaches, restaurants, and shops, Port Whitby Marina is ideal for family outings or relaxed strolls. It hosts events like Canada Day celebrations, Whitby Ribfest, and the Great Ontario Salmon Derby, with a way station for fishing enthusiasts. The adjacent Whitby Yacht Club offers sailing courses and charters, easily accessible via Highway 401 and the Whitby GO Station. This marina is a vibrant hub for boating and leisure. You're tuned into Vjay TV, broadcasting from Whitby Shores, Ontario, Canada. Peace out, transmission over.